The semiconductor industry plays a crucial role in bolstering India's economy given the rapidly growing demand for semiconductors. This surge in demand is set to enhance India's global position in the technology sector by creating jobs, driving economic growth, and establishing the country as a leading player in the semiconductor industry. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India currently relies heavily on semiconductor imports, spending approximately $24 billion annually. By 2030, the demand for semiconductors in India is expected to reach $110 billion. There is a strong push from the Indian government. The government is playing a significant role in propelling this growth. Initiatives like the Semiconductor Fabs Scheme and the India Semiconductor Mission offer financial incentives and support for establishing fabrication units and design facilities within the country. The semiconductor industry is characterized by its reliance on advanced production methods, including deposition, lithography, etching, and chemical mechanical finishing, to create intricate and precise shapes essential for modern electronic devices. Engineers in this sector face the challenge of working in dynamic environments that demand multitasking, problem solving, and teamwork. The semiconductor industry is poised to generate numerous employment opportunities across various levels, from research and development to manufacturing and sales. This job creation will span across skilled labor, engineering, and technical roles, thereby contributing to reducing unemployment rates and enhancing skill development in the country. India's burgeoning semiconductor industry is set to require 300,000 skilled professionals by 2027 to make the growing demand and support the industry's expansion. Achieving this goal involves several strategic initiatives and investments in education, training, and infrastructure. Engineers with a strong educational background in STEM fields, practical experience in scientific problem solving, and the ability to work effectively in dynamic environments are well suited for success in this rapidly growing industry. The industry's focus on both economic and technological feasibilities ensures that solutions are not only innovative but also practical and sustainable. The semiconductor industry will significantly contribute to India's GDP by boosting manufacturing and export capabilities. Establishing a robust semiconductor ecosystem will attract foreign direct investments, that is FDI, further stimulating economic growth. The Indian semiconductor industry is on an exciting journey, and its success will have a significant impact on the country's technological advancements and economic growth. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp users will soon be able to pin two channels within the app. In order to improve the user experience on WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp is developing a number of features. The feature that lets users pin up to two channels on WhatsApp has started rolling out. Right now, Android beta testers can access the feature through the app's version 2.24.13.3. MediaTek to release an ARM-based processor for Windows PCs in 2025. MediaTek, the Taiwanese chip designer, declared that by late 2025, an ARM-based processor would be available for Windows PCs. In light of an exclusive deal with Qualcomm, MediaTek is now in a direct competitive position with Snapdragon's X Elite and Plus CPUs. With AI performance becoming a more important aspect in contemporary computing technologies, the new chip seeks to excel in this area. Soon, users will have to pay for owning a phone number. According to a proposal by Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, users may soon have to pay a price for a landline or mobile number. The plan states that charges can be placed on mobile operators since phone numbers represent an exceedingly valuable public resource which is not infinite. The plan then contemplates recovery these from users and determines whether to penalize operators that retain number resources that are not being used to their full potential. Axis Bank fined Rs 1.66 crore for neglecting to identify and disclose fictitious NSG accounts. The Financial Intelligence Unit has fined Axis Bank Limited Rs 1.66 crore for their failure to identify and report suspicious transactions at one of its branches. The National Security Guard, that is NSG, is a counter-terrorism commando group. The penalty was imposed in response to a bogus account opened in the NSG's name. The fine was levied by the FIU, an organization within the Union Finance Ministry that is in charge of upholding anti-money laundering regulations, following an investigation into the creation of a bogus account that was allegedly used to aggregate illegal cash. GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke claims India to lead the world in the AI era. According to GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke, by 2027, India will surpass the US with the greatest software developer community. When Dohmke spoke to technology executives at GitHub Galaxy in Bengaluru, he asserted that economic growth always follows the presence of software engineers. The age of AI has begun, and the number of developers in India is skyrocketing. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.